Let's begin by telling you that government has been asked to change strategies aimed at containing the spread of COVID-19 pandemic and attaining herd immunity for citizens as the virus continues to expose the deficiencies in the Nigerian health system. Health experts gave the charge at a gathering in Lagos where they analyzed containment efforts by government and other challenges facing the sector. Abiola Sholanke tells us more.
It is the 60th birthday celebration of Dr. Eniola Enriosho and his retirement from the Lagos State Civil Service. Mr. Enriosho was the Director of Medical Services and Disease Control at the Lagos State Primary Healthcare Development Board before attaining the compulsory retirement age of 60. The 2-in-1 events gave health practitioners opportunity to pledge their commitment to achieving healthy living for citizens as well as improving primary health care in the state. It's about 2 years since the COVID-19 pandemic ravaged the world and claims millions of lives. Experts gathered here analyzed efforts aimed at containing the virus.
The mainstay of the response now is the vaccination. You know, we have done disease surveillance. We have done social distancing, people using face masks and all that, and we are still advocating that. And we have also mentioned hand washing. But the one that is very key, that is crucial, and that is very effective now is the COVID-19 vaccination. And the government has done a lot, the federal and the state, to ensure that we have a vaccine.
About HIV/AIDS until they were almost tired of hearing it. We have not mobilized enough of the communities to know that these precautions are very important. You see me wearing my face mask as well as a face shield because this is a large population and I'm 71. But I see some elderly people going around in parties, no face mask, even ordinary hand washing. If Nigerians are doing it right.
On the 15th of October, the federal government announced that civil servants will require proof of COVID-19 vaccination or negative PCR test before they being allowed to work. Hence, stakeholders share their views on the issue.
We are dealing with the public and we are representing the government. And the government is advocating that we should give this vaccine. And we know the vaccine is effective. So as civil servants, we are supposed to be laying good example to the general public. That is why I'm 100% in support of that policy. And I don't believe there's any civil servant that will go against it.
There's a lot of disinformation and negative information being put about in the public space. And I think people, both by the example they set in their personal lives and the advocacy that they do on behalf of the system, should encourage the generality of the public to get vaccinated. And if you do not get vaccinated yourself, then you cannot set an example.
It is hoped that as the country intensifies vaccination drive, coupled with arrival of more vaccines, more people will get vaccinated so that Nigeria can rapidly progress towards attaining herd immunity. Abiola Sholanke, TVC News, Lagos.